Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop tools tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can use this slice tool. Here you can see slice tool. So using the slice tool, it is basically for website design, website slicing. So let's crop here, and then again we will make it as two parts. Okay, then the another section is this menu. You can also adjust from here. This is the top section, and then this one is menu section. Again, this one is the left section. This one is the center. Right one and footer one. This one is for quick slicing, cutting. Okay, again here you can do slicing, again this one, and again this one. And in footer also, if you want to make it two parts, then make it like this, and another section will be this one. Apart from that, suppose this logo section you want to make it different, and also these three parts. This search section also different. In short, you can make it a slice. Okay, now once this is done, go to file section and then save for wave. Okay, now save. Here you can see images only, HTML only, and then HTML and image. You can see here this option is important. You need to format HTML and image section just like this. Right, now CS6 drive practice.html. Now save it, converting. Now let's go to my desktop section, desktop here. So CS6 drive file numbers. This one is my HTML. Yeah, so you can see the website is ready. And if you press Ctrl U, then you can see the code is generated here. So with this you can create a quick website. But remember guys, you can see the slicing tool is using table, which is not used nowadays. Okay, that's why this slice tool is not of that much importance. But still, if you want to make it, a dummy website maybe for some purpose, then you can see in few minutes time you can create just a dynamic website. And the images, okay, so the question is, where are the images? With the same name, image might have been saved. CS6 drive, or you can see also here resource. Okay, images, the folder name inside images, it has been saved. Right, so let's go to images folder. You can see all the images has been cropped here. Different images has been cropped in different sections, same as you had selected here while cropping. So that's it about this crop tool. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.